Akron. I'm your host, Muira.
And this is Tessa.
We got a busy schedule for January and February. So there's a ton of extracurriculars coming up, like musical rehearsal and stage crew for Into the Woods, which will be on March 13th and 14th. So buy your tickets when they come out, and you can always put in an advertisement to help support your friends. The Interact is coming back from the Dominican Republic, and we are thankful for those who went and contributed and helped with the community service out there.
Semi-formal is January 31st at 7 p.m., so make sure to go buy your ticket soon.
Mr. Melly is an amazing coach for the school scholastic bowl team. So if you have any good knowledge that is really bizarre or, history buff, then I think you might want to try out the Scholastic Bowl either this year or next year. Talk to Mr. Melly. And finally, Ski Club is every Sunday, so hope to get you on the slopes. So we have a lot of community events coming up. On February 4th, NHS induction ceremonies are happening, so come support those who got inducted in for leadership, scholar, character, and service, as well as parent-teacher conferences are the 13th and the 14th, which is a great opportunity for teachers to meet with the parents. As well as, if you're a senior, come on down to the Senior Center to have the Senior to Senior Dance for Valentine's Day on February 10th. And, more importantly, midwinter recess is the 16th to the 20th. It's a well-deserved rest, so be ready to have that break.
Winter sports are in full swing for Akron Tigers as we head from late January into February. Basketball takes center stage with varsity JV and modified boys and girls team competing almost every week. Home and away games against league rivals like Barker, Newfane, Roy Hart, Medina, and Wilson fill the schedule as teams push forward for the end of the regular season and postseason play. Swimming also stays busy with multiple meets throughout late January and early February. Both boys and girls compete in large meets, crossovers, and all-league competitions, wrapping up their season strong. Congrats to our wrestling team on a great senior night, and to the whole team, good luck as they compete at all-league. Cheerleading represents Akron at several competitions during the stretch, including league and invitational events, showcasing their routines as they move deeper into competition season. Unified Bowling continues to compete in matches against local schools, highlighting teamwork and school spirit. As mid-February approaches, many teams begin wrapping up regular season play and preparing for sectionals and playoff action just before midwinter recess, which begins on February 16th. Good luck to all our Akron Tigers, and be sure to come out and support our teams.
Hey Tessa, have you ever wondered what the media production team would look like as cats?
Like medieval cats?
Roll the clip!
High School news update for January 26th through February 20th. Have a great day and go Tigers!